What's up, YouTube? Today we got plans. We got big plans in the garage. Actually, outside. We're installing the Roto-fab intake on the CTS-V. Let's get to it. To close the hood and this guy scared the shit out of me. I've never done any impression videos or vlog videos or, you know, videos where the camera's on me in the car, so forgive me if this is terrible, but I had to bring the camera out for a first impression. So we're gonna roll the windows down. We've got a fence line right next to us. Let's see if we can't hear anything sound better. Supercharger, like big time. Me likey. wraps up this quick little video, Roto-fab install. You know, I was thinking about it, and I don't think that I've ever installed an aftermarket cooled air intake. Simply, I looked at some of the intake air temperatures on the stock, you know, system on the Corvette, and I didn't really think that it's really letting in all that much hot air. But the cool thing about Roto-fab is there are a couple videos out there with, you know, dyno before and after, which shows a like 20 horsepower increase. There's also one big downside to the Roto-fab. It does not add enough horsepower to overpower Mr. or Mrs. Praying Mantis, who was able to hold on through that whole little ride. So anyway, that's all I got for you.